Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make money using Robinhood. Open an account, enable security features, and fund it to your comfort level. Research stocks, ETF, and options using company fundamentals and charts. Start small, use stop losses, and scale positions as you learn. Track performance monthly, reinvest dividends, and adjust strategy when goals change. Stay disciplined and avoid emotional trades to protect your capital. Research is the cornerstone of smart trading on Robinhood. Screen stocks by revenue growth, profit margins, and competitive position before buying. Overlay moving averages and RSI to spot momentum and potential reversals. Read earnings call highlights and analyst summaries to confirm thesis. Use limit orders for better control and avoid market orders in volatile names. Keep a research journal to refine ideas and learn from both wins and losses. Protecting capital matters more than chasing returns on Robinhood. Define position sizes as a percentage of your account to avoid overexposure. Place stop-loss orders or mental stops to cap losses and stick to them. Rebalance periodically to maintain diversification across sectors and asset types. Avoid margin until you master risk controls and know your worst-case drawdown. Consistent risk habits compound into long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.